Alright guys, here is the new double barrel sawed off pistol from Red Dead 2. Even the wording up here on the barrel. I've tried this one. This one's got a lot of interesting parts to it, but it is a breakover barrel. Is dual hammer, dual trigger. They're independent of each other, or you can pull them both, set them both off at the same time. It's actually a magnetic retention. Down inside here there's a magnet that pulls the latch over and keeps it pulled over, and it locks and latches just fine. You can whip it up, which is kind of cool. But yeah, dual trigger, dual springs, dual hammers. It also comes with, a little orange tip if you actually want to put it on there. But yeah, anyways, yeah, and it also 2 shotgun shells for it, which they load just fine. But yeah, there it is. I mean, it's pretty good weight too, and it fits perfect in your hand. And I got pretty big hands, so there it is. I should have it up tomorrow in my shop and on my website at TreyWickDesigns.com. So there it is. Appreciate it.